Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Loretta Sexual guys. Any video here how to apply for smart loan in everywhere. So they'll be here and say over phone. I thought the last time you see said you see like loans I bet you bet me apps I bet me I go for loans and a video na no one app bia e my simple loan nti no be fa phone na yakọ de be ni say me name said you see a screen no two and I say the other one that says in our share now nti excuse me for that miss yana mwetie mu no my said them open, but for the meantime no over our phone no now I could download the smart loan app our phone. So until you download the app no avia no I signing app no open what your personal information but say Google account and I say I hope you understand now what feel via na fi wa be select the products no select your loan terms and conditions to say be our kobo MTN quick loan but say you be busao. I hope you understand ntino you be busao terms and conditions will be provided. After providing that no now you get the approval. The approval is in real time. Once approved, it's no approved no it depend on the what you're saying to know. Yeah, the approval no in quite minutes or some RSP. Now if you say qualify for for instance terms and conditions will make sure to fill everything correctly, like put your bank account if they ask you about your bank account. Now to me provide BBA Busawa near amount some minutes, some RSB na onsa account smart loan pepe. So thank you for watching this video guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video. We'll see you on my